Going to the fridge, for a Coke. I need a Coke. Gonna get a Coke, Coke. I want a Coke. Why are you not opening? I'm gonna have to find some more ways to open you. What should I use? Also, yes, I am using the crappy camera. What should I use to open the... oh, Wario drink. Glasses? How many times do I have to tell you? Stay on my face. Get over here, you naughty babies. Oh. Okay, now that I got the Wario drink, I can now open it. This isn't gonna work. My glasses. Well, that didn't work. Okay, now let's try organic Wario ice cream. This is still the same one. Dog, oh my god, I love you so much. Oh, you like it when I scratch your ear. Oh, I love you. Oh, so good. What? Crap. Let's try the same thing I did with the Wario drink. It's not working. Oh crap. Charge. I just want a bigger cup. That didn't work either. What else could I use? I have an idea. Let's see if you listen to commands. Open fridge. Close, but no. Let's see, you do this. I will show you. That is how you open the fridge. Now open the fridge. Don't you walk away from me. Get over here. Get over. What could I use that's food? It didn't work. Fruit solves everything, though. I think it's getting mad at me. Okay, since I've been dealing with this for like an hour and a half, I'm just gonna open it the right way. Let me show you. Fridge opened. Now to get what I want. What are you doing? No, this is my food. Get away. It's my food. Oh. Fine. Video over. Wait, no. I still need to get the bigger Coke. Where is it? Oh. Bigger Coke. Oh, it's just Coke. Ugh. Oh, that smells good like plastic. Vitamin water. Cheese, ketchup, no, I'll get that later. Eggs Benedict. Apple. Ew! Apple! Where's my bigger Coke? Whatever, I don't need it anyway. Oh! Bigger Coke! Come to save me! I said save me!